Victory Avenue, numbers 2 to 36. So on the even number side, there is a whole big block here, old style walk-up tenement buildings. All a bit dark, all a bit grubby, some of them empty. There is a section here with a few newer buildings, but all of them are over 20 years old, including the skyscraper. You get the idea that on the even number side of the road there has been some redevelopment, but not recent. A lot of it is over 20, 25 years old. However, on the odd number side of the road, things are dramatically different. There is a huge amount of redevelopment going on. There's at least 3 blocks of flats here, all nice glass balconies, luxurious. That's one. And this is Madeira Garden, which was just recently finished as well. And finally, there's this one called Vow Residence, which is just being completed now. So in the space of 6 months, 3 semi-luxurious tower blocks have been completed. This area of Victory Avenue is undergoing massive redevelopment. These older blocks, no doubt, high targets for redevelopment.